Hey everyone, I'm Bill. I'm with Moto TV, and we're back here at A&S Motorcycles here in Sacramento, California. And today we're interviewing this 2018 Bonneville T100 Black Series. I'm excited for this. As you guys know, I love my sport bikes, but we're gonna change it up a little bit today. We're gonna get on a little old school, new school Bonneville, and we're gonna try this thing out. What's up everyone? We're back, A&S Motorcycles. We are, if you guys missed the bobber video and you guys were like, man, the bobber is just a little bit much for me, I got you guys. We're on the Bonneville T100 Black today. So we're a much milder than that bobber. We're more classic style. You know, this is what Triumph's been all about for some time now. So this will be, this should be a fun comparison to go from the bobber style over into basically what is nearly the same bike, a little bit different motor, but nearly the same bike with just a bit different style. So I think you guys will enjoy this ride. Let's see, Chuck, you ready? And Chuck is ready. Bogna's over on a Ducati today again. She's like, I want to ride another Ducati. And we saw them wheel the white the white SS back into the showroom. And she was like, can we get that? If you guys haven't seen her review video on the SS, make sure you hit that subscribe button, take a look, because she did ride that SS and she enjoyed it. So make sure you guys take a look for that video. And so we are on our Triumph. Now wow, already I would say a different style ride than the bobber. We ready?
We're gonna hold off. I got one customer that needs to get out.
Okay, perfect. So this is a little bit different. The bobber black, the bobber was really low down. I mean, we're like right there. It was way low. So much different feel. But we've got everything going on that we did with our Triumph. We've got our classic gauge clusters, our classic mirror styles, everything, you know, the classic gas tank. It's just, everything is classic about this. It's really just a nice classic bike. So let's get this thing started. So we've got a guest with us. So Chuck will be taking someone out and we're just gonna tag along. T100 is new this year, the black. It's new I believe it's a new motor that they've put in this thing. So the Bonneville, it's got a little different style. So on our gauges, not much of information for the cluster. So we've obviously got our miles per gallon and our time, clock, odometer. We do have a gear indicator here, so that's kind of nice. Tells us what gear we're in. Right now we're in N, neutral. And then our miles and fuel gauge. So nice that it's got a fuel gauge. But outside that, not much other blinkers, hazards, on, off, horn. That's it. So nothing fancy with this bike. This bike really isn't a fancy bike. So we'll should be just a fun, just a cruising bike, man. Cruising. So let's get together with these guys and we'll be out on the road here momentarily. All right, so we'll cut out that last blank spot. Let's go ahead and roll now. All right, looks like Chuck is getting ready to leave. We'll let our guest go ahead up in front of us, and then we'll fall behind them. Bogna again is on a Ducati Scrambler. So that should be a fun video to watch, her on that Scrambler. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. So we're on, again, the T100 Black. Nothing fancy about this bike, man. We're just, again, we're back out on the night on the town. We're cruising around. This thing is super comfortable. Very kind of upright. Bars, very good bars. So you've got good control of the bike. Good feel of the control. Look at that, we've got a nice acceleration. Nothing fancy, man. We don't have no quick shifter, we don't have no power mirrors, power door locks, nothing like that. This bike is just real basic style. Nothing crazy. We're not going wild with this bike. Nice and smooth. So little vibration, nothing major. Don't want to spook you. Very smooth bike, very smooth. Nothing, just a little bit down in between, but nothing major. Kind of smooths out a little bit. Get the revs up. 32. Vibrates a little bit to 45, then kind of smooths out. Decent power. But the handling on this thing is very nice. The ergonomics, bro. Hit me up a comment down below if you know what I'm talking about. It's about the ergonomics, bro. I watched that the other day. I was talking to a buddy of mine, and he had never seen that little video, and we were talking about the old school cats that always are on 1000s. They've seen some shit, and they're always wearing race suits. And I was like, that's me, man. That's me all the way. But anyways, I watched the video and I laughed about the ergonomics. It's all about the ergonomics. So this is nice, man. I can cruise on this. This is I would say this is like a kind of city bike. So this would be a very good bike in San Francisco, or you know, in a major, bigger population. The suspension's kind of cush. Get a little bounce in there. You guys can probably see that. But it's a soft bounce. So let's hit this bump. Soft. It's a very soft suspension, so obviously we're not tearing up anything. Now you guys may have seen us, we talk about Brian. He's one of our instructors. Brian rides he is on a Thruxton, so it's a little similar. We're gonna take a little new route. Change the scenery. Slow down, bro. So this is just a comfy, man. This is what it's about. This bike, if this is where you guys are in riding, if this is what you guys want for riding, you don't need a track bike, you're not an adventure style, you're staying on the pavement, this is a very nice, comfortable bike. I'm enjoying it. I'm really, I like this better than the Bobber. The Bobber was a bit harsh. This is a much more soft feeling bike. So I'm liking this. I'm enjoying it. I can enjoy this bike. I would be fine. And it's simple, man. This thing is, and you know, it's the classic Triumph, so we don't have to worry about, you know, maintenance. I mean, they've got this bike down, right? And you've got the comfort, and you've got the usability of this bike in the city. We can split lanes. It's not too wide, so splitting lanes here in California is legal. Now also legal in Colorado. Thanks, Colorado, getting on board with that. My buddy up in Washington was like, wait, you guys can legally split? And I was like, hell yeah, glad we can. It was always kind of silent. It was never not a law in the past, but it is now a law that we can, so that's great. So it's this would be fine. You know, if you're commuting on this bike, you can do some commute on this bike. We're not breaking any records, so it's a nice, comfortable bike. Comfort. That's where we're at with this one. I like it. Let me know, what do you guys think? This is a little bit shorter route than we usually take. So the Bobber Black, we were on a little bit longer, but I think I'm good with what this ride has provided for this, because we've been on this style. We were just on this style not too long ago with the Bobber Black. I think that was the T120 motor. This is the T100 motor. Slight difference, nothing major. A little bit of horsepower difference, but this is all right. We are all right on this thing. You know, we've got some acceleration. Let's see if I can brake a little bit. We're all right. I don't mind it. I don't mind it. So our Triumph Bonneville T100 Black Series. Now remember, here in A&S, all these bikes that we ride, most of them are demos. Every one of these are available for sale. So if you guys are interested in this particular bike, come by, see Randy at A&S Motorcycles in Sacramento. You will get the best deal that you will find anywhere. If you're down south, give them a call, because I can pretty much guarantee you'll get a decent price here comparatively to your LA dealers. And they're no frills, man. These LA dealers, man, they give you the runaround, but here in A&S, they're straight shooters. So hit Randy up. But thank you guys. Let's take a I'm kind of liking the final look. What do you guys think? Do you guys like the final look? The final look? T100 Black Triumph Edition. 900 HT motor. I like it. It was comfy. Hit that subscribe button, guys. Smash that like button. Leave me a comment. Like I always say, we have a dealership full of BMWs, Ducatis, and Triumphs. I can ride whatever you guys want me to. So hit me up a comment down below. Ducati Scrambler. So smash that like button, give me a comment down below. Till next video, thanks guys.